Hi folks, we're here today to talk about the Gripstic Clean line of products. You may have heard about microfiber cleaning cloths, and you might very well have some in your home today. What we have found is microfiber cloths are just pushing dirt around and they're not really grabbing a hold of it and cleaning it from the surface. So at Gripstic, we reinvented the microfiber cleaning cloth. We fractured the end of all the fabrics at the end of the cloth, and we've added the polishing fibers throughout the cloth so you can clean and polish at the same time. It is the most efficient way to clean your entire home, from kitchen to bath to baseboards to floor. We'll show you how each and every one of those products work. In your kits, you'll receive cleaning cloths, cleaning sponges, and window cloths. The cleaning cloth is great for doing just that. It's wonderful for dusting because it'll capture all of the dirt, dust, and hair in one single swoop across the surface, and it polishes it at the same time. You can also use it wet to clean the bathroom soap scum off the tub, down off the mirrors. It's wonderful because we have the cleaning elements built already inside the fabric. Great for removing fingerprints on surfaces, even scuff marks throughout your entire house. Kids love it because they can clean their tennis shoes, and the tennis shoes are white and clean. They don't have to buy a new pair. We made the same fabric into a sponge. Now this sponge has a ridge down the side, so it allows you to clean the sides of surfaces easily. Think about that in the bathroom and around your house. Also great for cleaning inside of tracks, whether it be in your shower track, the tracks that you have in the windows when you're doing the windows. I use a sponge in the bathroom area because it cleans the soap scum very well, cleans the shower very well. I also use a separate sponge in the kitchen area. It's wonderful for doing dishes because it holds the soap really well, and it does a great job scrubbing dishes. Cleans off the baked on food off of your stove and range, and also out of the microwave. Again, you can use this on any surface. It's going to remove the dirt and grime with ease. You don't need any chemicals. Just go ahead and get this wet and it'll clean it extremely well. The window cleaning cloth is wonderful because it's streak-free cleaning. You don't need any spray or any chemicals. It has a whole bunch of ridges throughout the entire cloth. So as you're going across a window or mirror, it's streak-free because each one of these little ribs operate like a squeegee or a windshield wiper blade. So it makes cleaning windows and mirrors streak-free and very easy to use. All of our products are machine washable and dryable. In the Gripstic mop kit, you'll receive the lightweight Gripstic handle, the multi-fit Gripstic base, 2 of the mop pads that have the reinvented microfiber. So when you're cleaning the floors or any surface, you're capturing all of the dirt, all of the hair, all of the dust, and it holds it in one pass. So you're cleaning and polishing at the same time. You're removing the footprints and you're removing the scuff marks along the way. The mop handle is very easy to attach. You simply snap it down into the base. It's adjustable so you can get to the hard to reach areas and spots throughout your house. To attach the mop pad, literally just set it on top of the mop pad and you're ready to go. You'll notice that this swivels and moves in a variety of different directions, making cleaning along edges very easy and around corners and such. To remove the mop pad, just simply grab a hold of it and pull it down, and put it into the washing machine and you're ready to go. We made the base a retrofit base. So the tops have a little lever here that you lift up. That allows you to take the microfiber cleaning cloth and attach it, or the window cleaning cloth and attach it so you can clean other surfaces utilizing the mop. Now I clean windows with the mop, and I clean and dust hard to reach spots. So what I'll do is snap this down, I'll flip it around here, and we will then snap down the other side, and you are ready to clean and polish surfaces with ease. Same thing for the windows. It is an awesome cleaning device. You'll love the product, guaranteed for life.